Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. It will be useful for both experienced drivers and beginners. But be careful, almost 80% of our viewers answer incorrectly in the comments. So here is the task. What does this sign indicate? Number 1, no parking allowed in this area. Number 2, road closed ahead due to construction. Number 3, you are not allowed to drive into this roadway. Number 4, only trucks are prohibited on this road. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The Do Not Enter sign is used to indicate that traffic is prohibited from entering a particular road or lane. It is commonly placed at the beginning of one-way streets where vehicles are only allowed to travel in the opposite direction. Driving past this sign can lead to dangerous head-on collisions. Always obey this sign to avoid entering roads against the flow of traffic. So, the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. I'm Bill, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.